belt ligna. Back into it.
Baby, how is your experience here?
On a scale of 1 to 5,
1 to 10?
1 to 10, 5.5.
5.5. The breakfast is just the same, guys, every day. And we'll talk more about the experience staying here in some time.
I've seen vada every day.
And I eat appam and chicken curry or egg curry every day. But that's safe for my stomach anyways. This is my breakfast. Appam and chicken curry. So babies, now we are starting our journey to our honeymoon destination, which I'll show you in some time. Are you excited, baby?
Yeah, baby, I'm very excited.
So we just done with our breakfast and now we're all set to go. It will take around 7 hours, I guess. Now where are we going?
We are reaching Kalmasheri, one of the most posh places, the most posh place in Kochi.
Can you speak a little louder, please?
It's Kalmasheri.
Okay.
It's the most posh place in Kochi.
Okay.
We will just reach in another 5-10 minutes and I'll show you the place.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye. So here we are at Kalmasheri.
Yeah, we are at Kalmasheri. This is the most posh area of Kochi, and I'm just joking, guys.
What?
I was messing around with Priyanka. This is nothing but the highway.
What the hell? तुम पागल हो क्या? मैं नहीं telling it's a posh area. Are you mad?
I am madly in love with you. This is nothing but a national highway.
So happy. So baby, what toll naka is this now?
This is closer to Thrissur.
And how much you have to pay now?
80.
Okay. And after this, what's the next destination?
Palakkad.
Oh, uptown.
Uptown girl.
Nice restaurant is there, guys. Uptown. Toll Naga again. Which one is this, baby?
I am not sure, but this is.
How much they're going to take away?
This I'm not sure.
I think they're making it.
Yeah,
It's not yet active.
So they're not taking any money for anyone.
Okay. So this is not active yet.
Yeah.
So guys, finally we are here. We had come long back this place and it has really good food. My bichara husband had to literally put this on the map again, guys. I'll tell you about that. So guys, finally we are at this restaurant. I wanted to visit here so bad. So on the map, guys, do not put uptown because you'll
Put NMR Uptown.
yeah.
NMR Uptown is the restaurant. You'll have two uptowns with same names, but NMR is the one that you want to come down. It's closer to the highway, and the ambience looks like someone like this.
It's a nice place. I've already made a full-fledged video on this, guys. I'll put that in the description box.
But this will be even better because she's coming with her husband. So things will be completely different than coming with mom, dad, etc. So she is eating this different food with a lot of love.
So what have you ordered, baby?
We've ordered, for the timing, we ordered 2 Kerala paratha, 1 beef stew, 1 beef idichu, and for us to take away parcel because we won't get time to cook. So we've taken 1 steam rice, 1 fish mango curry, which is
Kingfish.
Kingfish, which is in Kerala, like Malayalam, it's known as Aikura. And also we have taken alfam, 2 pepper alfam and 2
Mexican
alfam.
No, pepper nahi.
2 Mexican alfam. And
Not 2, 1.
1/2 of that is 2 pieces.
Okay.
2 pieces of Mexican alfam and 2 pieces of
Kandari
Kandari
alfam.
And if we like the stew or the idichu beef, we might just parcel some more of that and
You look so hot,
take
baby.
that.
Why do you look so hot?
Hello, my super baby. She has gone mad again, as usual.
Again.
Again, as usual. But again, this is what I signed up for, so can't complain much. Okay, I will find my ways to deal with it. By the way, I just recently bought a noise cancellation headphones. I plan to use extensively. So yeah, that's the first step.
So what is this you ordered for, baby?
this is mint lime. It's pretty
common
in across Kerala. It's like a cousin, brother, or a sister of fresh lime. It just has some mint in it with the lime. I always use this as something to get refreshed or to kind of gulp my food down.
and we have to drive quite a bit now,
try
guys.
Even though the amount of kilometers that we drive is less, but since we are approaching a hilly zone, so we'll take around about 4 to 4.5 hours to kind of drive.
And we'll not reveal the place right now, we'll let you know later.
Yeah, exactly.
So how is
We would have reached faster, but again, your super baby Priyanka is will always slightly late, which is around about in the range of 1 to 1.5 hours here.
I'm always on time. This time I have to do packing myself. No, baby, this is the how is this, baby? Nice. So what happened now, babies? Every time
Slightly sweeter, but it's good.
Nice. So always my mom does the packing for me. This time I'll do myself. So it got a little late. With habit, I'll be on time because this time is the first time I'm doing everything myself. What is come? Okay, this is beef idichu. It's quite a big quantity. Take away, no? Let's remove this, baby. Yummy. How is it? Nice, huh?
Nice coconut flavor.
Yeah, it's a nice coconut flavor. And it looks exactly like that. So the chef has made it like that. I'll eat it in some time and let you know. He's eating it for the first time.
Eat the beef idichu.
This is a beef idichu.
It's minced well. It's minced well. Tastes well.
Nice. Let me try it now, babies. Oh my god. This is what I wanted. Only the paratha is very hard. Right? No, little hard it is. Oh, it's rubbery taste. Should be able to chew it well, otherwise मैं तो गई. Let's try the beef idichu.
One paratha.
I'm right.
आपको बनाना था शेफ ने और comment section.
Maybe how we found the food?
I think the food, the beef stew was awesome.
Amazing.
Amazing. The idichu beef was also good, slightly different from the idichu beef that we had before, which is fried like a crispy thing, but this was like more of a keema, but it was really, really nice, well made. As in,
Beef stew was the star of
if you
the
ask
show.
me, can I have it again? Yes, definitely I can have it again. And the stew was the star. Stew was
My choice, baby, my choice.
your choice. I'm also your choice. So I think that means it's excellent. So yeah, so I think it's very good. I would definitely want to come back again.
Whenever we pass through this.
Even if you're not passing and if it's like in the 10 to 15 kilometer range, we might just want to come back and have food and go. But that's good. To kind of appreciate your food.
The beef stew was really, really tasty.
I think what was really nice was, even though it was not in the menu, we made something that she had 1 year back. So I think it was very good, excellent. That is something that I would come back and have again.
January, this year January.
So, and idichu beef was also different from the idichu beef that we had, but something that I would definitely come back and have again. Right? So, and I'm being get your name.
My name is Shaji Nagar.
Shaji, Shaji Naam Praveen Nagar.
Okay.
So we'll definitely come back to your place. Thank you for all the hospitality and the great food that you served.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So babies, it was an amazing lunch. The prices are also very reasonable. And now we are off to our next destination and our final destination. We won't be stopping otherwise because we are done. We took our takeaway also for a dinner and for tomorrow. So yeah, we're sorted. Right, baby?
Huh?
We're sorted, right? Okay, bye. He wants to say something. What do you wanted to say?
बेबी जैसे तुमने मुझे फोर्स किया बोलने के लिए कितनी अच्छी लड़की है ये
Bullshit, he was just shouting at
सुशील,
me just now.
सुंदर आदर्श भारतीय नारी और ये सब मेरे को ये बोली अपने बारे में
Babies, he was-
सुपर बेबीज है ना, बहुत ही अच्छी लड़की है ये, ठीक है?
He was just shouting at me just now. I want to record it, but
Okay, super baby.
Hey, yada.
Super babies.
So guys, now we are stuck in traffic because there's some work going on. So we're going to get delayed for another 30 minutes, I guess. So they're making this new road, and that's why the traffic. Now we are out of it. Huh, baby?
Yeah, mostly thoda. Some more
Traffic?
blocks might be there.
Huh?
Some more blocks might be there.
Okay, that's what the map says. So we just stopped here right now. We wanted to toilet. So yeah, this place has good food, guys. I've been here before. So baby is having a coffee. So now what's the plan? Are you planning to eat? He's forcing me to eat. Why are you laughing? Huh?
Nothing.
Why are you laughing?
Nothing. I am my husband. Now I'm going to feed the coffee to the camera. And I'm going to throw a bit on it.
Naira. One thing. What happened, baby? You seem very upset.
Not upset. Just when I stepped out for a coffee, the moment I entered Tamil Nadu, as in whichever place I've been, I don't see anyone very strictly adhering to masks. Anybody wearing a mask. If you see on the road as well, most of the people are walking without a mask. Sometimes I feel that either they are vaccinated or they lack the understanding or care to be taken for a COVID scenario. So it just sometimes it just feels like, you know, negligence.
Yeah, nobody's wearing it. You see, no, there's so
Yeah,
many
and
people.
I'm just curious that if once I end up in Ooty, and which is a tourist place, how many of them even wear a mask?
Don't
Because
even
in
think
the
of.
small remote villages, nobody's wearing it. This is a popular tourist destination that we're going to. Yeah, I can't help it, can't control others, so you better wear stuff.
We just be careful, that's all. We'll wear double mask.
Whenever you step out, we'll always wear a mask. Even in the car also, if you
Yeah.
see, my mask is always hanging in case I need to wear it. Go out and wear it.
Nobody's wearing, guys. It's very shocking.
So,
Chalo, one person would.
so guys, you see A to B with restaurant here.
A to B is nice vegetarian khana.
Ananda Bhavan.
Yeah, we had that in Upar also. So now we'll look at the mountains, okay? Beautiful mountains
A
we'll
to B
see.
is very famous for their veg meals.
Yeah, veg meals is very tasty.
You should have that.
Yes, maybe. We'll have a lot of stuff there.
Cafe Kalaki. Kalaki is the name of a dish which is made with eggs.
Oh, Tamil Nadu?
Yes.
Oh,
It's like a poached egg, but kind of.
talk little loudly, baby. There's no mic. It'll not
It's
grasp.
like a poached egg. It's like egg poached, but it's the speciality of Tamil Nadu. Kalaki. Kottu parota, kalaki, all those things. So guys, on the way to the ascent towards Ooty,
What are you telling about the train, baby?
this train, I don't know if it runs or not right now, but Mumetupalayam to Kunur, the
Toy train
the
like.
toy train is one of the very few steam engine trains, running steam engine, operational steam engine trains left in the world. So when you hop onto the train, it runs so slow.
Little loudly, baby.
It runs so slow that it'll stop probably every station or something just to fill up water, because that's how it generates its power, right? So yeah, it's a nice experience to kind of be on board the train and via the scenic tunnels and the mountains.
Takes a lot of time.
Yeah, it takes around about 6 hours.
My God.
For what takes 3 hours by car, it takes around about 6 hours, but it's
1.5 hours from here.
yeah, but it takes it's a
By car.
experience. Yeah, it's an experience worth in itself. So I think from Metupalayam, I think it takes 3-4 hours, I believe.
Yeah, because by car it'll take 1.5 hours.
So I think I don't remember because it's been quite a long time that I boarded this train, and I think I was in class 10th or 11th when I boarded this train. So it's been a
You've
while.
come in this train?
Yeah.
Oh,
And it's a nice sight. They'll stop at top of the mountain where there'll be a small station where it fills up water for the steam boiler and stuff like that. Yeah, it's great. And you practically can walk faster than the train. That's slow. But but that's the charm of it. So.
Okay.
So yeah, if it's running, you guys should come visit and experience that ride. आप लोग ज़रूर आइए, रेल का सफ़र तय कीजिए मेट्रोपालियम से ऊटी तक.
Okay. So guys, the destination is revealed already. Yes, that's our first destination, like our first honeymoon. We're going to Ooty. Are you excited, baby?
I'm always excited when I'm with you, irrespective of the destination.
Wow.
ऊटी हो या ड्यूटी, तू ही है मेरी ब्यूटी.
So? Hey baby, just landed Ooty home and we did some unpacking. Here's my Pati Parmeshwar. You better put full pant, no short pant, baby. You feel very cold in the night.
You're there, na?
Shut up. And now I'm boiling some milk because he wants coffee or chai. Why are you making me boil milk, baby? Because you don't have coffee with milk, right?
Huh?
Why are you making me boil the milk? Like with what will you have the milk with?
I don't know, why did you boil? You asked me, should I boil the milk? I said yes, you should.
What the hell, you asked me to buy milk, right?
No.
Yeah,
I said chai, coffee, I always drink black.
that's what I'm asking. Then why did you make me buy the milk? I too don't have milk.
I thought you will have milk, इसलिए.
कुछ भी बकवास, baby, tell me why you made me do
I
this.
don't know, I thought milk तुम ऐसे बनाओ कुछ.
चाय के लिए.
हाँ, ऐसे कुछ बनाने के लिए होगा, but I don't drink, only drink black coffee.
Yeah, then I asked you, should I buy the milk? You said yes.
ठीक है, रख दो उसको, क्या है?
I'm boiling it right now.
प्रोटीन शेक मिला के बना दे.
Boiling some milk, making water hot for him. We'll get back to you later, guys. Baby, how's the food? So this is rice and manga curry, akura. How do you like it? How do you find it?
The fish curry is amazing.
It's amazing, guys. The fish curry, I could say, super highly recommended. No?
Really good taste.
Really tasty. So just made the alfam chicken hot and we'll eat this first. Hey babies, we're ending the vlog. We had nice dinner, super tasty. Are you tired?
I'm sleepy.
And we are going to sleep in some time. Is it cold? Are you feeling cold?
Not feeling cold, but I'm feeling sleepy.
Yeah, but is the climate cold here?
Yeah, it's 12 degrees.
So we are sitting in front of the heater right now. We'll sleep in some time. Bye, good night.
Good time.